What's going on, guys? Little Boy's Garage back here with another video. Today we are putting on a new steering wheel. We have a D&D performance wheel with the NRG short hub and the NRG quick release Gen 2 black, and then I'll wait to show you guys the color of the wheel until it's on. But yeah, let's get this old one off and put the new one on. There's gonna be two right there. Here's one bolt, and then right, if it focus, it's like, yeah, right there, that little hole by the cruise control tab. It's a T30 Torx bit. I'd recommend using just a ratchet to break it, or you can use it to finish it, taking it out, or then use a screwdriver to get it out fully out. And that should be to take off that airbag. So let's see. Alright, so once those two bolts are out, you'll be able to pull this airbag out. And this little yellow clip sits in here, which all I did was take this little pointy little screwdriver flathead, and I just put it in there, and you pry it up and you'll pull it out, and then you should be able to just pull just like that. And then just be very careful with the airbag, because you do not want that to explode on you. But I'm just gonna set this to the side just like that. I'm not gonna mess with that. But yeah, now time to actually get the actual wheel off. So yeah, all right, so now you'll want a 17 mil on most likely an impact, because you're probably not going to get it off with a ratchet. But yeah, then best bet is to take it off, and then when you take it off, take the nut and just put a couple threads on, so when you tap the wheel, it has something to like stop it at, so you won't go get the wheel flying in at you. But yeah, let's hope this spins off pretty easy. It should. So right there, that came loose. Left a couple threads onto the nut, just like so. If it would focus, there we go. Just thread it on a couple times. And now let's try to pop that off. Alright, so once the nut is, or once you got the nut just loose and you pull back on the wheel a bunch of times, that's what you're going to need to do. You can take this nut off, just put it to the side, and then you'll be able to pull the wheel off, which you want to make sure these connections go through there without a problem. And then boom, old wheel is out. Alright, so if you see this hole, this sits just like this up in there. And that hole will be right here. There's a Phillips you'll take out, and that bottom piece pops off. And then it's really hard to see, sort of, but that bolt or screw, and there should be one on this side, yeah, right there, I believe. And that'll loosen up this top piece. Alright, so now there it is. One bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt there. So you'll want to take those off to get the clock spring out. So once that's out, just be careful. Find out where the plugs are. And then you can unplug them. And then you can pull that clock spring off. So once you find the wiring for that clock spring, it is all the way under here. It's kind of a pain, but once you get that and the wires fed through, that clock spring is still good then. You'll take it off, in which now we can start messing with the actual short hub. Alrighty, so once you get the hub on, you'll want the NRG logo facing up. You can bolt that back in. Right now, I can't find a way how to get this horn to work, but later on I'm gonna figure that out, but for now I can't get it, but I just want to get this done. So then now you'll put this all back together, covers, and then I'm gonna put my quick release piece onto here, and then we can put the quick release onto the wheel, and you guys will finally be able to see what color and everything the wheel looks like. So yeah. Alright, so once you got the actual short or quick release hub part on it, I'm gonna try to put this on. Okay, now we're gonna try to put the wheel on. Alright, so our steering wheel, we got this black middle, black Alcantara with a purple stitching and stripe, and I did a 50 mil because I didn't want it as close to me. So yeah, let's try to get this thing in right now. Alright, so they sent me black hardware. I'm gonna put those in. Line it up. Right now that all of those are tightened, I'm gonna see if this works. Well, I have a feeling it's not gonna, but and I have no clue if yellow is supposed to go to fucking yellow or if it's I don't know, red to black. That makes no sense though, but we're gonna try this. Oop, don't bend it. That should be in. Yeah, it don't work, but what do you do? So I'm gonna wrap this up and push it in there anyways. Actually, I guess I should flip this. Let's see if that works. Let's see. Let's see if red to yellow does anything. It's probably not gonna, but it's worth a try. Put this in there anyways because I want the horn button so it looks better. And all I gotta do is just push it in there. Which it's not going in there. Might have to just not run those wires because it seems like that's the problem here. Yeah, I'm just gonna undo these. It should still fit. should go in there. There we go. Now let's try it out. Strong. Wheels off. Nice. So yeah. Try to get the flashlight on it so you guys can kind of see it. That's how it looks. D&D. Thank you so much for the wheel. Even though I'm not sponsored, still paid for the wheel, but I'm really liking how just sleek the all black and the Alcantara and that purple stitching. I think it looks really good. Definitely go check out D&D for any steering wheel needs or any accessories for those. I will put the link in the description for their website. Yeah, check their stuff out. Good deals overall. Yeah, it's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe, actually, please. Help me out, support me. This is my dream here. But yeah, stay low, boys.